how important is mindset?
Field of expertise is in sales, but also being an entrepreneur, because I've started several companies, and both in sales and if you're an entrepreneur starting a company, mindset is everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's everything, Kyle. Like a pilot, you know, when you take that exam to go from VFR, meaning you can land the, and correct me if I'm wrong, because you've forgotten more than I'll ever know. VFR, I can land the plane if I can see the runway. IFR, right? I can land the plane just looking at my instruments, correct?
Close.
Close.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can fly. IFR is like, you know, I can fly in clouds and I don't have to look at my instruments. And
is there something in the training there where you got to wear a plastic shield over your face, right?
Yeah.
So you can't see things.
Yes.
It's that's the same thing with businesses. It's like, I bet you a lot of people give up on getting that rating because there's probably some panic that insinuates there. Are we upside down? Am I going down? Am I going, oh my God, these gauges have to be screwed up. I don't trust this gauges. And that's what being an entrepreneur is all about, is you have to have the fortitude to say, okay, first of all, you have to have the intelligence to go, before I get started with this business, what is my process? And that's the number one mistake that every leader makes and every entrepreneur makes, is I've got a great idea. Everybody will want it, right? I'm going to be the best vice president of this company in the world because I've got all this experience. No, right? You got to look at, okay, well, what is going to be my process from day one? If I'm going to coach people, how am I going to coach them? And then you have to have the fortitude, just like when you're wearing that thing and you can't see what's going on, to follow through with that, because that's all sales ever is, right? We're flying by our instruments all the time.